With Seedance 2.0, I was able to generate this video.
You act like you're above this, but you still listen to every word I said.
Look all you want. It changes nothing. You only think you have control here.
After that, I changed the aspect ratio and slightly improved the prompt to make it like Tarantino style and see what's happened.
You act like you're above all this, but you still hung on every word I said.
Look all you want. It changes nothing. You only think you have control here.
So okay, let's figure out what we need to generate that type of videos. First of all, we have to create a collage of our characters that will appear in our videos, and to make it consistent and to look like we want them to look like, we have to create take pictures. So I take pictures of myself from different angles. Then I used this prompt to create two types of collage. First of all, it generated this type, but it added the text, so I specified don't add any text, and it generated perfectly what I want. So we have his face on the top row from different angles and his full body. I specified how he looked like, that he is strong, have square jawline and so on, so I generated what I want. Our second character is girl. I got this picture from her Instagram, and I used this prompt and got two outputs from Nana Banana and GPT image 2. Let's break down the prompt structure. We see what we want to generate, then we specified the actual collage output, what we want to see on the top row and bottom row. Then we specify her outfit, because current images is very explicit and models might produce errors if you generate using that explicit images. So I specified her new outfit, then I specified her expression and overall background and composition. And here, as you can see, I got two outputs. Actually, I prefer this one because it followed her natural appearance, as you can see. And anyway, it produced with this bad output, but I use it anyway because we have two same pictures of her. Even it captured her tattoo, which I kinda like. And for GPT image 2, it produced better result following prompt instructions, but it did something with her appearance. As you can see, currently her face look kinda old. It has some wrinkles, so I didn't like that. Anyway, it has makeup. And yeah, I generated these two collage. After that, we have to record the voice for our girl and for our guy. And that's it for collecting the data needed to run against our video generation model. How do you create a long, detailed prompts without wasting time fixing mistakes or endlessly experimenting? I found a really effective solution for that. This skill file is basically a complete guide for writing powerful Seedance 2.0 video prompts. It shows you how to properly structure scenes, actions, camera movement, timing, audio, visual style, and even how to correctly use the add reference system for images, video, and sound. What makes it valuable is that it gives you a repeatable system instead of random trial and error. Rather than guessing how to format prompts, you follow a clear structure that helps the AI understand your scene much better. That means fewer mistakes, more consistent generation, and higher quality results. It saves a huge amount of time. You don't need to reinvent prompting logic every time. The framework is already built for you. And the best part is that it works with any advanced large language model like GPT, Gemini, or Claude. Just paste the skill file into the model, add your raw video idea or draft prompt, and ask it to improve it using the guide. The AI will turn it into a cleaner, more detailed, production-ready prompt with better structure, camera direction, and overall cinematic quality. Okay, let's break down the prompt structure that is generated by our AI. So we have several things in our prompts. First of all is character setup, scene environment, action motion description, camera movement, timing breakdown, transition effects, audio sound design, and style and mood. And basically, those two prompts follow the structure. We have a general description, we have reference images and audio, we have description what's happening during 0-2 seconds to 4 seconds, and also overall description of the dialogue, its style, and so on. And 10 seconds prompt. Actually, everything is the same. Overall scene description, timing description, and precise description what's happening on 0 and 4 seconds, and the same for 4 and 10 seconds. Then we have description for camera, performance, sound and style. And basically that's it. If you want to change something, you understand where should it be happening, and then you change. These two prompts are generated by Claude AI. Basically that's it. For generations, I use DWD AI bot that you can find on Telegram. First of all, we select text to video, then we select our model, then we paste our long prompt of generation and all the references. Then we select our reference images, basically reference collage, mine is first, girl is second. Then for video we skip, for audios we also send our reference audio, also mine is first, girl is second. Here I change the order to match the prompt. Important thing about audios, they should not be more than 7 seconds. The next thing, we select aspect ratio, then we select resolution, we select duration, we choose to generate audio, we click generate and pay. After that our video is generated, as you can see.